Hi guys, I'm here in the CES floor, so started from Elephant Robotics booth and take you look around what we have in this exhibition and what other exhibitors have. So here we are in this accelerator companies. So they help people release the pressure from lifting heavy loads. This is wearable exoskeleton. So this year there are more VR glasses company in this CES exhibition. For example, we had the spotlight product here. So in this booth, it is pretty big. We can experience the latest earphone technology here, and they have a booth, a section of exploring the VR glasses. And also 3D displays as well. Well, we also find some games here. It's actually played by Switch. And here in Nightbot, we can see a lot of smart electric scooter there. They have a pretty big booth as well. And look at what we have here. We can actually play some games here. See? That's to CES. So we see a lot of consumer electronics stuff there.